Hey everyone, Jason Weckerly here. We're back to talking about the Cominsky and Runyan walleye cheater case. I'm sure some people are sick and tired of hearing about it, but once you start doing a project on something, you should finish the project. And good journalism means getting all the answers and getting everything straight and finishing a story that started. Well, they were supposed to be in court yesterday, November 9th, 2022.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ron Friday, Greg Gentile on behalf of Mr. Runyan. Your Honor, we're in receipt of the indictment. The 24-hour period has been satisfied. Waive reading. Enter a plea of not guilty to all counts. Respectfully request the bond commissioner's recommendation of a personal bond be imposed.
Very good, Counselor. Thank you. Mr. Mackin, on behalf of the state, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. The state would defer to the bond commissioner's recommendation.
All right, very good then. Well, the court will adopt the bond commissioner's recommendation setting the recommended $2,500 personal bond. We'll order no contact with the victim. And Counselor, it looks like we have to take a DNA sample from your client here this morning. The judge assigned to your matter is Judge Stephen Gall, and the next court date, sir, is the 9th of November at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you both. Take care. Good luck. Morning, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Melanie Wilmer on behalf of the defendant. We would acknowledge receive, waive reading, and enter a plea of not guilty. We would also ask that the bond recommendation be followed.
All right. Thank you very much, Counselor. Mr. Mackin, sir?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state also defers to the bond commissioner's recommendation.
All right. Thank you. So we'll adopt the bond commissioner's recommendation setting the $2,500 personal bond. Order no contact with the victim. And Counselor, your client will have to submit a DNA sample here today. As you know, the judge assigned is Judge Stephen Gall, and the trial date for your client is the 9th of next month at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Every other court date they've had, every single thing talked about, every article, you could find information all over the internet about it. But beyond October 26th or 27th now, I'm not finding any information. They had a court date for November 9th. Suddenly, there's nothing being talked about, nobody making videos about it, no information to what happened. And it's a little strange to me because if you think about this, how is there no information on something that's been talked about this much all over the news? Everyone's heard about it. People that don't even fish know what this case is about. I don't know if these guys were put into witness protection and there's something the lawyer did to make sure that nothing else is being said on the internet. I don't even know if you can do that. But where is the information on this case right now? What's going to happen to these guys? What did the judge say? What did the jury say? I mean, we even saw Johnny Depp and Amber Heard for freaking weeks, months almost, in court. And that was all over the internet. There was no protections, nothing. I mean, somebody could have hurt Johnny Depp for beating on women, supposedly, which I personally don't think he did, but that's a whole nother story. Somebody could have hurt Amber Heard for lying about things and trying to throw Johnny under the bus, but their business was everywhere, all over the world, and sure, they were famous, but tournament anglers are semi-famous on some level in the tournament league or the tournament trails, and Cominsky and Runyan did something every fisherman wanted to know the outcome of. I mean, I wanted to know what was the penalty for putting lead weights in fish fillets, poaching, whatever you want to call it. Because one of the guys was supposedly poaching and got his hunting rights taken away. I mean, these guys took lie detector tests, failed them. People were suspicious of them winning all the time. It was all over the news. Now what? Where's the information? If I don't see something in the next few days, I'm going to know something's up. And I hope these guys get everything that's coming to them. I've said it in every video. This is probably the 5th or 6th video now I've made about it. The fact of the matter is, this story has to end somehow. What is the penalty for cheating in a fishing tournament? It's robbery. It's robbing every person who competes and pays to be in that tournament. What's the penalty? Or are these guys just getting away with it? Who knows? They got their boat taken away. Supposedly they're going to have their fishing rights taken away. They'll never compete in tournaments again. They're probably paying fines. But is there jail time for robbing a bunch of people in a tournament? Like, what's the penalty? If you guys like this video, subscribe to my page. I'm sorry for making so many of these videos, but I mean, this is a story the whole fishing world was taken by storm from, and there's a lot of angry people out there who compete in tournaments, people who watch tournament fishing that don't want to watch a bunch of cheaters get away with crap. But let's get serious here. Where's the information? Nobody knows. If you guys like this video, subscribe, hit the like button. Good luck fishing, stay safe, and take care.